Okay, in this video, I'll be going over how to solve a system of equations using elimination. In my opinion, elimination is a little bit easier or more straightforward to do than substitution, but both methods work. So in this case, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add together both equations to where one of the variables cancels each other out. So what you could do here is typically I'm going to want to multiply the equation by an integer. You could multiply by a fraction or something, but that can get kind of messy if you don't have like an ideal problem. So like for instance, we could multiply the top equation by 1/3, but what's going to end up happening is you're going to have 4/3 y, and then you're going to have a 1/3 on the other side. So what I think we're going to do is we're going to want to multiply the bottom number by either 3, so we end up with a positive 3x, or by 4, so we end up with a positive 4y. So I'm just going to do 3. So now we're going to have a 3x, negative 3x minus 4, 3y. 3y equals negative 3. And the first equation we had was 3x plus 4y equals 1. So now if we combine these two, add them all together, these x's are going to go away. We're going to end up with a y, just one y, and then we're going to have that all equal to negative 2. So this has kind of worked out really nice for us. We don't have to really solve for y. It's kind of done for us. But sometimes you'll end up with like some constant in front of this, and you just have to divide that number over. So if this was the case, you divide by 3 on both sides. But since this was kind of a nice problem, we just have it as y equals negative 2. So now what we can do is we can plug negative 2 in for y in one of these original problems. It doesn't make a difference which one. I'm just going to do the second one just because it has less constants in front of the variables. So we have negative x minus negative 2 equals 1. So negative x plus 2 equals 1. Negative x equals negative 1. X equals 1. So we have both our variables solved for. And what you can do is you can always plug those back in. Uh-oh. Oh. This should be a negative 3. Negative 3, x equals 3. There we go. And you can plug both those numbers back in, and you should get 1 and negative 1 when you plug those back in. So that's elimination. Thank you.